Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Kisho. This is the big news video about Kisho. So keep on just complete. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So that's why I want to thank you so much for everybody to subscribing my channel. My friends, the big news about Kisho is that my friends, the latest situation, the latest changes occur in the Kisho is negative. Negative 1.24% the price of the Kisho decrease, negative 14.18% the price decrease. And my friends, you can see here from this price chart update, that's also clear that you can see that the previous changes, my friends, the previous changes, the last 1 week changes is positive. Just from yesterday, from the last 1 day, the Kisho price change is negative. The Kisho price change is negative. That's why I'm feeling shocked about it. Never decide to sell, just hold it, my friends. I hope they will give you good amount of profit if you hold for long term. Let me show you. You know what? Why the purpose of making this video is just that a lot of holders, when you see a small fall, so they decide to sell. So my friends, never decide to sell, just hold it. I know that is a temporary fall, and after some percentage of time, possibilities after a few hours, the price of the Kisho will become positive again. You can see, my friends, from the price chart that is also clear that Kisho is a positive cryptocurrencies. In a previous time they taken a huge pump. So I'm sure about that Kisho will only give you profit, not loss. Just hold it and never decide to sell. They give you profit, not loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.